Hello, we are SculptOK, an online depth map generator to provide simple, efficient, and high-quality depth map solutions. To offer all users a platform for creative exchange and artistic sharing, we've recently launched 2 new sections, Gallery and Community. Anyone can publish their work in our gallery and discuss anything in community, whether to ask questions about usage or answer others' queries. Here, you can publish any work you create. You can also find inspiration for your own creations. The homepage is divided into depth maps, AI images, and product images. You can also search for specific themes of works you want here. After publishing a work, you'll earn credits that allow you to publish more works. Of course, as a new user joining us, we'll also provide you with some free credits. Hovering over an image reveals its original version beneath the depth map. Clicking a work lets you view higher resolution images, interact with the creator, like, comment, and share their work to your social media. And you can spend points to download any work. Meanwhile, creators receive half of those points as feedback. Click the 3D preview here to see a clearer finished image. Additionally, you can adjust its bump level, thickness, and form. This is our community. Here, you can ask any questions related to SculptOK and freely post in different sections. Experienced users who know the product well are here to answer your questions. You can solve others' puzzles and exchange ideas. You can also commission other users to create works for you here. Furthermore, we regularly host themed events where you can earn credits by submitting works. Importantly, our product is fully accessible on mobile devices. It mirrors the web version's functionality. Both allow AI image generation and then depth map creation. Welcome to SculptOK. If you're interested, please like and subscribe to us. Thank you.